In the past, we had to work with supercomputers that had very large screens. The large computer screen was an inconvenience to a lot of people, so we had to change it into a smaller size. The size of the notebook is much smaller now. For the notebook size, it is amazing that the contents of this small computer have the internet function. The notebook was an idea that started with a group of people. Before production, we could use the computer at home, but it was uncomfortable to use and we could not take it with us wherever we went. The product of the laptop changed our lives. Now we can get information wherever we go, like the inside of the bus, inside the coffee shop, or even while we use the toilet. With a little bit of imagination, the laptop and smartphones were born. Unlike old mobile phones, smartphones' advantage is that we can use the internet. Smartphones have made life so much easier and convenient. If we did not think of this idea, life would be harder to connect with one another. Ideas like this that help our lives should be recognized and promoted, and the companies are now being recognized for their great products. The term competitiveness is the name of the game. Societies like the idea of power. Nowadays, people prefer an original, classic idea rather than mundane ideas. Laptops and smartphones are both examples of novel ideas. To create such innovative ideas takes a lot of creative thought and time. Ideas come from great people who have great imaginations. A lot of people make a lot of money from their ideas. I enjoy wealth and fame, but I want a lot of ideas to improve the inconveniences we face in our everyday life. Ideas are the best weapon of the 21st century. Original ideas should be thought of from now on, and only creating the best ideas will be the best for the world we can live in.